हेलो इंजीनियर्स, राधे राधे। आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे। सो इंजीनियर्स, वेलकम टू ईटीसी इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड ऑटोमेशन चैनल। आई एम उपेंद्र, and in this video today I am discussing about OSF. So already you know that OSR, ONS instruction in previous video. So in this video I am discussing about what is OSF instruction in PLC. First of all, engineers, you know that what is the full form OSF? One shot falling means the instruction which like as when you press input press button, then the value is in means minus decreasing order. It means your value is go in negative value. So let's some discussion about one shortfall, and you have to also write down and note it. What is your OSF instruction in PLC? So uh, let's start. The OSF, also known as one shot falling, means OSF is also known as one shot falling instruction, allows a programmer to create a scenario where an output is energized for a single scan when a transition from a logic high to a logic low is detected on the input side of the instruction. Means the programmer create a scenario in the program logic to when 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 push button is triggered, then value is convert from high to low means the value is in energized, then it is de-energized, and then programmer means when to press push button, then output will be energized for a single scan in minus. So let's in the RS Logic 500 English software how to use OSF instruction in PLC. So already I have opened this. So now I have to click on it, then go to user, take new run. When you take new run, then you have to take one OSF. From bit instruction, you go and select OSF. So I have to select OSF, then I have to select NO, then I have to select it's okay, and also I have to take one run, new run, then also I have to now I have to select NO, then I have to select like a counter to read value in it. No. Okay, then I have to select output. After that, I also take one new rung. Then I have to select and no. Then I have to select timer counter to count down. Here I have to CTD use because one shot falling is in decreasing order. Now I have to give addressing to it. So I have to put it. Then I go to the output. Then I have to give output instruction to it. Then I have to go to binary. Then I have to place it. Then in 0 I have to place. Then I have to go and place it. Now every instruction is already given. Now here I have to put binary one. Now here I have to put it output instruction. Then I have to create C5 separator 0. Then I have to then enter okay, then 10 times 0. Now I have to create so now I have to go communication, download this logic. Okay, yes. Then you have to select run from here. Then you have to press yes. After that, your instruction will be ready. Then you have to click on it. Then here you have to right click. Then go to toggle bit, and the output will when I have to press toggle bit, then I have to press toggle bit off, then I have to press toggle bit. Here you have to they see when out input is high, then it's not working. When output is low, then it's working. Then it's working. When input is high, then it's not working. When input is low, then it's working. As you already see, watch here and see here what it's do. When I press toggle bit, it's not working. When I press toggle bit, then it's working. You understand? One shot falling. When it goes in low condition, then it's working. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the use of one shot falling in this video. So I have some discussion about also one shot falling. So let's click on it. Then you have to press F1. Now you have to click on it. Then off OSF one shot falling. It's by on one shot falling is used in the processor microLogic 1200, microLogic 1500, microLogic 1400. OSF, as you already OSF block one shot falling a storage bit, output bit, storage bit N19. Some description about OSF. The OSF is a conditional output instruction that triggers an event to occur one time. ये एक ही बार occurs होता है. Use the OSF when event must start based on change of state from true to false. True to false, not on resulting wrong. When you press trigger button, the output will go not blow. The instruction will be not happen. When you then you have to press and then release it, then output is on and then it will be give feedback. You must enter a bit address for OSF storage bit. Use either a binary file or count or integer. स्टोरेज बिट को हम लोग बाइनरी और इंटीगर फाइल दे सकते हैं. दिस इज द बिट एड्रेस दैट रिमेंबर्स द रन स्टेट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस स्कैन. द बिट एड्रेस you use must be unique. Do not use it elsewhere in the program. मीन्स जो बिट एड्रेस होगा उसे एक ही जगह यूज कर सकते हैं. द आउटपुट बिट मस्ट बी ऑफ ए डाटा फाइल टाइप. आउटपुट इनपुट बाइनरी टाइमर काउंटर कंट्रोलर number long data file. This is the bit address which is set on true or false run state. The output is set one program whenever the run मीन्स ये आपका बोल रहा है कि जो एड्रेस है ट्रू टू फॉल्स रंग स्टेट में जाएगा. द आउटपुट बिट इज सेट वन प्रोग्राम स्कैन ऑपरेशन. व्हेन द रंग इज ट्रू, द आउटपुट बिट इज रीसेट एंड स्टोरेज बिट इज सेट. जब रंग ट्रू होगा तो आउटपुट रीसेट हो जाएगा, स्टोरेज बिट सेट हो जाएगा. द रंग कंडीशन प्रीसीडिंग OSF इंस्ट्रक्शन गो फ्रॉम ट्रू टू फॉल्स, यानी ट्रू टू फॉल्स कंडीशन में जाएगा. मीन्स ट्रू होगा तो आउटपुट नहीं ग्लो करेगा और जब फॉल्स होगा तो आउटपुट ग्लो हो जाएगा. द आउटपुट बिट इज सेट ऑन प्रोग्राम स्कैन और स्टोरेज बिट. द OSF इंस्ट्रक्शन बिकम्स ट्रू अगेन इफ द रंग कंडीशन प्रीसीडिंग इट ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम फॉल्स टू ट्रू. और जब फॉल्स से ट्रू होगा इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. ट्रू से फॉल्स यानी ट्रू करेंगे तो नॉट वर्किंग. जब ट्रू से फिर फॉल्स होगा तो इट्स वर्किंग. बोथ स्टोरेज एंड आउटपुट बिट्स आर रीसेट while executing in active MCR zone. ओके, MCR जोन में इसका यूज करने के लिए बता रहा है. सो इंजीनियर्स, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज OSF, हाउ वेयर यू यूज इट, how discussion about OSF instruction, how what is the purpose of OSF. So engineers, radhe radhe. We will meet in next video. So keep touch with us.